You know, I've been thinking about something that sounds really good today for dinner. Chicken quesadillas. Let's make it. All right, let's make our homemade guacamole. Simple. An avocado, food processor, little lemon, lime, and salt. Let's do it. All right, let's scoop it into a bowl. Man, that looks good. Gonna taste good. Let's brown the chicken. Add salt, pepper, and a little chili flake. Looks yummy. Time to deglaze the pan to make the quesadilla. All right, let's assemble the quesadilla. Mozzarella, chicken, little cheese. Cover it with cheese. Let's brown it, flip it, and looks good to eat. All right, nothing fancy here. Paper plate and a pizza cutter. Let's do it. All right. Time to give this thing a taste. Let's see what it is. Put a little guacamole on it. Yeah, that's pretty good. Tasted really good. Y'all have a good day.